Imagine building a full-featured app in minutes with AI. AI tools. Beginner-friendly monetization strategy shows step-by-step how to build and launch. 1. Why build apps with AI? Explosion of AI tools in 2025. Time savings. Days to minutes lower barrier for non-tech creators. Case studies. Basic app in 10 minds using OpenAI. Figma plus plugin. 2. Key AI tools. ChatGPT, GPT-4o, specs generation, code snippets, GitHub, Copilot, real-time coding assistant, Replit AI, Builder.ai, Bubble.ai, no-code UI with AI Figma, plus designer plugins, auto layout, prompts voice and text, APIs, 11 labs, TTS Maker. 3. Walkthrough, AI app from idea to launch step-by-step modules. 1. Ideation prompt plus ChatGPT. 2. UI mockup in Figma using AI plugin. 3. Generate code with GitHub Copilot or Replit. 4. Deploy with one click, Replit/Glitch/Heroku. 5. Integrate AI model API GPT-4 embedding voice. 6. Add authentication, database, analytics. 7. Testing, fixes, iterate. 8. Launch and marketing. App Store, Bubble Store, viral video. Example prompts, coding blocks included. 4. Monetization and growth freemium model, subscriptions, in-app purchase, custom themes or upgrades, launch methods. Gumroad, indie hackers, marketplace growth hacking plus social proof pushed. 5. Best practices and pitfalls, ethics of AI-generated code, data privacy and consent model fine-tuning ethics. Handling edge cases, errors, scaling, legal, licensing, open source libraries. 6. Future of AI app. Building trends, AI agents, autonomous frameworks, AI plus blockchain for Web3 apps, low code versus full AI generation. Ideation stage. Define your app. You say to the AI, generate Flutter starter code for a recipe finder app with voice search using GPT-4 via OpenAI API. ChatGPT returns JSON structured spec endpoints UI layout code. We copy that into a file, push it into Replit, and within seconds we get a live working prototype. That's the power of AI code generation in 2025. Now it's your turn to take action. Don't just watch others build. Start building your own AI-powered app today. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to USAiTech for more AI breakthroughs, and tap the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Want tools, code templates, or a beginner roadmap? Check the links in the description below, and tell us in the comments, what app will you build with AI? Until next time, keep building, keep innovating.